remedies. This is the last order passed by the Honorable Supreme Court Justice, Honorable Justice D.Y. Chandrachud.
Do you have a degree in law?
Huh?
Do you have a degree in law?
No, I am living under that circumstances without electricity, milord. I have been a successful businessman. Now I am going to. They have not been arrested. I mean, even when Supreme Court has passed so many orders, even after those orders have been abducted 3 times.
You, if you want to stay here, it's up to you. If you want to go somewhere else, it's up to you.
Milord, where do I go? I mean,
That is
I
up to
don't
you.
have,
The court cannot find out a home for you.
But no, never,
All right,
never.
all right.
All are installed.
Please
All
come.
are installed, milord. Lordship, now the thing is this. I mean, I mean, they are acting stealth, and because they are, overestimating me on a unnecessary, and they are trying to, finish my career and life in collusion with my family people, the state government, and with the family people and police has remained a mute spectator. I mean, that is the problem. That and since my
Were you supposed to take some instruction yesterday?
My lord, yesterday, my lord directed me to take a copy of that. He was waiting there. Downstairs when we went, we just could manage a copy of the petition until Annexure 4. The remaining annexures were not, but anyway, without that, it can be done.
No, all the annexure, I mean, it was a complete petition. I went with his person. I mean, I don't know. I mean, how comes this? I mean,
anyway, I have managed to get a report because this is the 7th.
Let me hear what he has to say. Yes, what is your case?
I mean, as I told you, I mean, yesterday that I have been abducted numerous times, and Supreme Court has passed so many orders in order for my protection, and they have directed Director General of Police of this. Milord, I presently I'm not doing anything because I am not. People are behind me. I mean, they are not letting me do anything. Even when I was in Delhi, there was also collusive things which has happened.
Why will people collude against you?
Huh?
Why will people collude against you?
Milord, as I mentioned, I mean, in the Annexure 39, I mean, they are overestimating me, and I mean, due to some or the other reason, they are trying to, they have already destructed my career. I mean, my travel agency is closed, and for so many years, I'm running helter and skelter either inside the rehabilitation center or I'm in Delhi. Or like this, milord, and even in Delhi, that I was trying to earn my living, but they are also there.
Who is this they?
They, in the sense, I mean, the state is, I was staying in all the, a shelter home in Delhi because my situation was impecunious, it is still under, I mean, I am almost starving. And in Delhi, because I was staying in shelter home with others, I mean, the people are there,
Now where
they
do
are
you stay?
even turning my.
Now where do you stay? Do you have a home?
Presently, I am in Baliganj. I have my house in my maternal, in my maternal ancestral house. I mean, which also belong to that, trust, Radha Gopinath Ji Trust. I mean, there I am staying alone. My mother has died in the year 2001 when I was 25, 26.
Yes. Now you are staying alone over there.
Yes, milord, without electricity. I mean, even the electricity has been disconnected.
Why did you not pay the charges?
No, it's not like that. Even the electricity was in the name of the accused person.
Who is the accused person?
Accused person being my pretending father to be,
Your pretending father?
Yes,
you
I mean.
Not implemented him as party?
Milord, the thing is this, I mean, party, the state was not taking action. Hence, I filed all the cases against state.
Listen, state is a faceless body. Who is the face behind it? You have to disclose before the court. How can orders be passed?
Milord, the thing is this, none of the orders are being passed, and how do I know, I mean, who is the face in the sense, I mean, they are not taking any action, I mean, police authority against the Barihat police station where I have made the complaint with all the Supreme Court's orders.
If the court cannot follow you, the police will not be able to follow you, right? You have to make your case properly before the court. Where is the order passed by the Supreme Court in your favor, you are saying?
Yes, so many orders are there.
Please show one.
I will tell you. I mean, The petition has been filed by a petitioner in person invoking the provisions of the Article 32 of the Constitution. As many as 13 relief have been sought. Many of the relief which have been sought cannot be entertained in the exercise of the writ jurisdiction, considering the nature of the pleadings. This court, by its order dated 4th June, that is the next page is pursuing the file of the case. It appears that this court had previously entertained the petition filed by the petitioner under Article 32 and passed an order on 1st August 2017 directing the Director General of Police West Bengal to look into the complaint of the petitioner. There are two further orders on the record, one dated 10 December 2018 by which the SHO concerned was called upon to investigate, and further order dated 8 May 2019 recording that the medical report shows an absence of psychopathology on part of the petitioner. Then the fourth paragraph it is mentioned, having considered the nature of the grievance, we are of the view that it will be appropriate to allow the petitioner to pursue his remedies. This is the last order passed by the Honorable Supreme Court Justice, Honorable Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, and Honorable Justice M.R. Shah has passed this order. Then before that, all the orders are there. I will then Annexure 6, 37, page 37 to 39.
The court has given you liberty to approach the Legal Aid Committee of the High Court.
Milord, I approached them. I mean, twice. I mean, they are always directing me to file my contempt petition. I have said so many. I have spoken to the secretary. I have sent so many letters time to time that why I am being forced to, file a contempt petition.
Do you have a degree in law?
Huh?
Do you have a degree in law?
No,
you don't.
Milord, I am
so
a
if an advocate has been engaged on your behalf, let the advocate take a decision as to what is to be done. Who are you to take a call as to what is to be done?
I am in a situation. I cannot, afford to pay for advocates of the High Court. I am, believe me, Milord, I am
are there before the legal aid.
Yes.
You are not required to pay.
I know, but the thing is this, they are misleading me. They are asking me to file contempt petition. Milord,
and you know better that contempt is not required to be filed. It has to be filed after that.
Yes, in Delhi also I have been told by the advocates and few people that in this case, because 1 year has passed, so you have to file another writ petition. And accordingly, I have approached them. Several times they asked me to come to Calcutta. Milord, staying here in Calcutta is a risky thing for me. But every time
you feel safe somewhere else, you can always go there.
Milord, where do I, my ancestral house is here. Why do I leave?
Then why do you say that it is risky? You have to find out yourself.
Milord, what is in the sense, if the anti-socials are threatening me, they are pelting stones at my house. Milord, they are coming inside.
There is a complaint before the police.
Climbing. I will. You see, so many complaints has been annexed, and I can also give you few complaints, Milord. If you kindly have a look at this, then you will come to understand that what has happened with me. If you just go.
I will not look into any papers that way. Show me from the writ petition.
Yes, I will show you. Few of the which is, all these arise after the,
filing of the writ petition.
Filed. But the thing is, I will tell you, Milord. Yes.
Well, since 2011, this is going on. 8th of January 2011. The tussle between him and his father. He used to run a travel agency. After a few months of operating the travel agencies, he was charged by the persons for whom he was supposed to book tickets. He did not book for them. 2011 till there are as many as 6 to 7 complaints, FIRs before the SCGM. He was taken into custody. He was a habitual. He used to take some objects which were not supposed to be done. He was put in the rehab. Once, came back again, then again came back. He filed a writ petition. He made a party to Dr. Suranjan Chakraborty, the lady of the rehab. This is Mantha's order. This is just a report which I could have managed. If so requires.
No, Milord.
A second.
Please carry on. I'm sorry. I thought maybe you are over.
Who pays for all your expenses now?
Milord, now presently I am staying in that house, and believe me, I am selling all the old junk of the house. All the iron and all these things, and I am living under that circumstances without electricity, Milord. milord, whenever I am
Then
going,
it's you.
wherever I am going, I am being followed, milord.
It is you who is being responsible for all this. No, you cannot blame anybody else.
Milord, I have been a successful businessman. Now I am going to tell you that he said that learned advocate that the ticket was not done. I have paid advances to them and I sent several emails to them. To the airlines company, and lastly the airlines company, after 4 months, just before prior to the date of the journey, we are asking for the money. For that a writ petition was filed before the Honorable Justice Sanjeev Banerjee.
Whatever.
While through milord, I have filed because I have been beaten inside the office by the policeman when I have paid that. Once everything was paid, so many letters were filed. And milord, about some substance, what he is saying, I have told the commissioner to keep
Listen,
me
whatever
in his
he is saying,
custody. Milord, once they said that I am psychopath.
whatever they are saying for records. He does not have any personal knowledge.
However, I mean, I must
All
clarify the
records
thing.
are over here.
I understand.
It is from the records that he is making his submission.
I understand.
Right?
Uh-huh.
Now, if you have any
Milord, I
issue
have-
with your father, then that's something else.
Uh-huh.
But then nobody is going to trouble you. You can do your own business
No,
and you
but
can
milord,
move around
milord, the
wherever
thing
you
is
feel
this.
like.
Milord, what I am telling you is that even when High Court has passed the last order, that order is not followed. And
Which is the last order?
High Court's last order is, Justice
Page-
Mantha's order, that
page-
is Annexure P1, 24 to 25, page number 24 to
3
25.
orders were passed.
Which is the last one?
29th of April 2022. Annexure P1, page 24.
Page 24.
And prior to that, one order was passed in March also.
And milord, as far as I have filed a case against Suranjana Ganguly, because the thing is this, I have told her thrice that
Page 25, I see the order of the court.
yes.
Has it not been complied?
No.
What is to be complied?
I mean, they are not been arrested. I mean, even when Supreme Court has passed so many orders, even after those orders have been abducted 3 times. I mean, and I have been tortured inside the inside the rehabilitation center where for my escape twice. I mean, by the
And now you are outside?
yes, milord.
They will not take you inside right now.
That is why what I'm fearing.
No, they will not take you.
Huh?
They will not take you inside.
Milord, they did several times, milord.
That's long over.
But the thing is this, milord, in the year 2020, even when I go to
20 and 24, 4 years have passed in the
milord,
meantime.
4 years passed, but in between I stayed in Delhi. So that is why. But now the thing is this: they are instigating the few guys of the anti-socials of that locality.
Nobody is instigating. This is you are suffering from some delusion.
But milord, the thing is this: why they are unnecessary? I mean, they are regularly doing all these. I mean,
They have got a lot of other things to do rather than trouble you.
But milord, this is what is happening, milord. If you don't see the papers, I mean,
I am keeping the writ petition pending.
Well, the previous writ petition is also pending.
That is also pending.
no, why it is disposed?
Act a second, please. Well, that kindly comes to the last 4 pages of the compilation we have given to Milord. Last 4 pages.
Yes.
First comes to the penultimate page, order
Yes.
dated 28th of March 2022.
Yes.
Well, this is the prayer for allowing electricity connection to the petitioner cannot be entertained by this bench. The petitioner fairly admits before this court that the concerned police has come to his aid as and when required. He submits. Then, the only allegation that remains to be dealt with in the writ petition is against Dr. Suranjana Ganguly. She is represented in court today. Let an affidavit be filed by Dr. Ganguly dealing with the allegations against her in the writ petition. Let such affidavit be filed within a period of 3 weeks from date with prior service. The FIRs registered by Baliganj police station at the instance of the writ petition and against him may be investigated as expeditiously as possible. Let the matter stand adjourned for 3 weeks. This is 28th of March. Then my lord comes to the last one, 21st of April. The petitioner is represented. The affidavit filed by added respondent Mrs. Suranjana Ganguly is taken on record. Let the matter go out of list. This was on 21st of. Then the 4th last page, my lord, 29th April 2022.
That has been disposed of. The application has also been disposed of. So nothing is pending.
No, there is nothing pending.
Nothing is pending. I'll keep this writ petition pending. You If you want to stay here, it's up to you. If you want to go somewhere else, it's up to you.
Milord, where do I go? I mean,
That is
I
up to
don't
you.
have,
The court cannot find out a home for you.
But the thing is why do I leave my house, Milord?
Stay here. Who is telling you to leave?
But at least, Milord, what I have requested the police that when anti-socials are there, at least near the Maddox Square Park, which is just 70 meters from my house, if there is police post is, installed or something like that, then whole area will be safe because they always create problems.
All right.
Inside the house.
Your house, very well. Mr. Das, tell me, are there any CCTV cameras over there
In front of his house.
in that area?
Milord, in fact, in my house, there is a CCTV camera is fitted. But the thing is this, there is no
My instruction that it was there at his house, he has broken it.
Broken it? All right.
No, never.
All right, all right.
All are installed.
Please
All
come.
are installed, Milord. All are installed.
If all are,
I can just take him.
all
All these are, I mean, if he says all these, then
alleges that
takes the
he
trouble
is
of
being
going to the
disturbed
prayers.
by antisocial elements of the locality, and the police is not granting him, not providing him enough protection.
No, Milord, police is coming. I am not saying
Coming,
that, but whenever the police is gone, Milord, that is why I am asking you, if you kindly have a look at this later, then you will come to understand. But the thing is this, whenever they are going, they are again, I mean, these anti-socials are backed by the state government. I mean, they are.
The police, the petitioner seeks for a police picket in front of his house. Stop. Next. What paragraph likhun to? The police is directed to fix CCTV cameras in and around the locality so that if any antisocial activity takes place in front of the house of the petitioner or in the vicinity of the petitioner's house, the same may be recorded. Stop. The matter is adjourned till 15th of July.
Lordship, one thing I would request you that regarding that cost which I am looking for, Milord, I mean, High Court Legal Service Committee, Milord, when there was an order from the Supreme Court, they cannot keep on misleading me when I have sent them so many letters and all. I mean, so many emails. I went personally. I have gave them affidavit on all. Milord, I am under impecunious situation. Milord, I am.
The matter will appear in the list on the 15th.
But July, Milord, July is still.
It will take time for them to fix up the CCTV cameras.
Yeah, that is, of course, I have to.
Then you have to wait.
Yes.
You have to wait.
But Milord,
What?
July will be,
What do you want?
Lord, if it can be, I mean, preponed.
Preponed for what purpose? What purpose will be served if the matter is preponed? The cameras have to be fixed up.
Milord,
and you see if the police is still responding to your request.
The more time I will face all this, Milord, you even do not know. I mean, whenever I am going on the road, wherever I go, I am being followed, and I mean, I am under serious mess, and I don't know. I mean, how will I mean, I want to even. I'm writing something. My producers. They are being trained. They gave me money. Thereafter, they closed the door. That don't come inside. Milord, this is the situation. Milord,
come back next month. We will see.
Well, in the meantime, I'll put this entire documents on record, Milord.
Very well.
By way of filing a report or affidavit.
Report filed by the check up the police station, dated such and such, be written with the records. Your report is there on record. I've kept it on record.
Lordship, in that case, can I file this
again?
Yes, you can file supplementary. File it.
Well, the document which I handed over, that itself will be. Yes. I need not file any other report.
No, nothing.
Well, what are the prayers? He wants to have a sit. He wants to have the Home Minister to do something. These are the prayers in his writ petition.
No, that is because, as I'm telling you, that they are overestimating me. That is why I'm sorry. Milord, thank you, Milord. Thank you so much.